Hi guys. So in a previous video, we deployed a three-tier website on AWS manually. You can check that out. I've explained the architecture there. So today I'll show you how to deploy it with Terraform. The code is already on GitHub, as you can see here, and also the link is in the description. So let's walk through the code. So this is our code. So in a provider.tf, we are using AWS provider. The version is 5.41.0 and we are using the region AP South 1 here. So in this code, we have four modules: VPC, RDS, networking, and EC2. So let's see our VPC module first. So this is the main file of VPC module. Here we are creating resource VPC, Internet Gateway, Elastic IP for our NAT gateway, and the NAT gateway. So in this, we are creating two public subnets, one private app subnet, and two private DB subnet. So along with the subnets, we are also creating a route table. You can see here a route table, a route for the table, a route rule for the route table, and we are associating a subnet ID to the route table. So these are the public subnet configurations, and we are also creating one private app subnet and two private DB subnet. So let's move forward with our RDS main file. So this is the main file for RDS module. Here we are creating two resources. First one is subnet group. This is the subnet group for our RDS instance, and secondly the RDS instance itself. So this is the configuration file of the RDS instance. We are not going multi-AZ here, and also the public access is false. Okay, so let's move forward with networking module. So this is the main file for the networking module. Here we are creating a security group for our load balancer where we are allowing HTTPS traffic from anywhere and also HTTP traffic from anywhere. And secondly, we have EC2 security group, app servers EC2 instance security group, where we are allowing SSH from jump server, and also we are allowing all traffic from load balancer SG. Okay, so thirdly we have RDS security group, where in the ingress we are allowing all traffic from our EC2 security group. Then we have our target group here. So we are using port 80 and protocol HTTP for our target group. Then we are creating our load balancer. This is the configuration for the load balancer. And then we are attaching our target group to load balancer. Okay. So and also we are adding here a listener for our load balancer, where we are using port 80 and protocol HTTP. And in the default action, we are forwarding all traffic to our target group, and then we have security group for our jump server. So let's see our EC2 module. So here we are creating we have two resource block. First one is EC2 instance, which is our app server EC2 instance block. So in this configuration, you can see here we are using a user data, and user data is coming from this data block. In the data block, you can see here we are using a script, and this is the script that we are using. So this script will act as a user data for our app server instance. So this is the script, and so along with the user data, we are also using a volume type GP2, and the volume size is 12 here. Then we are creating a resource called jump server for this is our jump server instance, and this is the configuration. Okay, so these were the modules, and in the main.tf file of the this code, we are passing all the modules here. You can see here module VPC, module networking, EC2 instance, RDS instance. Along with the modules, we are also using variables and values of the variable coming from. So this is the dev.tf vars file. So these are the values of the variables. You can use staging.tf vars. Oh, we already have staging your TFR files here. So using this approach, you can I mean, like deploy this website on multiple environment like dev, staging, and prod. So I think you understood the concept here. Uh, and you can feel free to guys use this code. You can see the code on GitHub, and also the link is in the description. And so yeah, if you have any doubt, leave a comment.